Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to share a video on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The platform recently made a few updates, and the sharing options look a little different. So let's go through the process step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your feed and interact with posts. Once you're in, start scrolling through your timeline or search for the video you want to share. You can use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific post or creator. When you find the video you want, take a look underneath it. You'll see a few small icons for actions like commenting, reposting, and liking. Focus on the one that looks like a curved arrow that's the share icon. Click on it. After clicking, you'll see a few different options pop up. Select the one that says Share Post Via. This is the key step that lets you send the video outside of X or copy its link. Depending on your setup, you might see choices such as copying the post link, sharing via email, or opening other apps and platforms. If you just want to post the video on another site, choose the copy link option. Then, you can paste it anywhere, like on Facebook, in a group chat, or even in an email. If you prefer to share it directly through integrated apps, simply pick the app you want from the list, and X will open it for you automatically with the link ready to send. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can share any video from X with friends, followers, or anyone online, all from your PC. Whether it's a funny clip, breaking news, or something inspiring, this new update makes sharing smoother than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.